Friends, hello, it's Victor with you and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I trade binary options on the PocketOption platform, and I want to inform you that in the description below this video you'll find a link to my private Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of useful and new information. Daily trading signals are published on Telegram, and if you write to my personal account you will get a link to sign up for PocketOption with a gift deposit 50% absolutely free as a nice bonus. So today I start overlooking with a deposit of $50. At the moment I see such situation, the price has broken through its small support level and form of a round number 1.69, and now this is its mirror resistance level to which it has approached. So I will go into buying for 100%. So stock trading in the 21st century began to attract a huge number of traders and investors. With the advent of simple mobile applications and various users' terminals, the influx of new people to the exchange began to grow almost exponentially. At the same time, according to statistics, in the first 5 years, 95% of bidders lost part or even all of their capital. Often the reason for this is an incorrectly chosen trading strategy or its absence. In order to increase the literacy of exchange newcomers, this article was created, a collection of the most basic stock trade strategies. So trading strategies can be shared on a time scale: short-term, daily, medium-term, and long-term. In each of the categories, 5 strategies will be presented, which are considered the main ones and from which all the others come, less popular or completely unknown. And meanwhile, the deal brought me $90. Great! So I think that the price will continue to grow, so I go into the purchase for 100%. Short-term strategies, news trading, and short-term news trading. The world doesn't stand still. Every day, every hour, every minute, some events occur. Some of them may well affect the stock price that the trader is following. The short-term strategy of trading on the news is to predict the market when a certain news is released. It's necessary to look for news that may affect certain industries. For example, news about the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, deals, which changes the price of oil companies, or news about the impending crisis, in which the shares of gold mining companies will clearly grow. Political news is also very important. For example, the present election of the largest economy in the world is a big news time bomb. It is unclear what result will be, but one thing is clear: the market will react to this result almost instantly. And meanwhile, the deal closed at $162 plus. Not really the price has moved. I'll try again. I go into the purchase for 100%. So arbitration or arbitrage, one of the most difficult short-term trading strategies to execute, especially stocks. It requires high concentration and, best of all, automation of the process with the help of algorithmic trading. The essence is to look for price errors for different stocks on different exchanges. Automation of stock systems is improving every day, but even they have problems. So on different exchanges, prices for the same shares may differ, sometimes even by 1 to 5%. This strategy is based on the search of such errors. There are 2 options of the strategy when working with stocks: classic arbitrage between exchanges and arbitrage between the price of spot and futures market. Classic arbitrage involves finding different stocks' prices on different exchanges, for example, on the New York and St. Petersburg. This option is quite unpopular in Russia because transferring shares to foreign exchanges is quite expensive and can take time. And meanwhile, the profit from this transaction is $291.6. Oh, the price has just sharply impulsed down. Okay, at least after closing the deal, I go into the purchase at 100%. Trend trading, short-term trading. Trend trading is one of the main methods of intraday stock trading. The price determines the direction up or down from the beginning of session and adheres to it throughout the trading day. This is in a perfect scenario, of course. The task of a trader when using a short-term strategy is to correctly determine the trend and make transactions only within the trend. That is, if the daily trend is bullish, going up, it is necessary to make only purchases. And if it is bearish, going down, only sales. So this trend of the whole day settles in about an hour or a half after the start of trading. After this time, looking at the chart, you can tell exactly which trend prevails in the market today. If the market is too volatile, this happens in days of uncertainty, when it's better to completely abandon trading in this session. And the deal brought me $498.64. So I think the price will continue to grow. I go into the purchase for 100%. Trading using levels. Short-term trading by levels. Just like the trend, everyday traders buy their actions to set a price corridor, the price of which adheres to the entire trading day. The upper bound is called the resistance level, and the lower bound is called the support level. As we know, the whole strategy is based on them. First, you need to define these levels. Usually they look for extremes, the more the better, and draw two horizontal lines along them. This will be the price corridor. When there are two options for trading on these levels. Trading on rebounds. As soon as the stock price approaches the upper limit, the trader needs to sell short because according to the logic of the strategy, the price will either go down or break through the resistance level. If the first one happened when everything is fine, the transaction is profitable. If the latter, then proceed to the next option. Similar actions occur when the price approaches the lower price level, only if the other direction, that is, buying. And meanwhile, the deal closed at plus $852.67. Great. Oh, a new candle has opened. I think now we can expect some kind of impulse, so I go into the purchase at 100%. Volume analysis of trade volumes. The strategy is no longer based on some kind of price circulations, but on the analysis of market actions. In order to the strategy to work, it is necessary to choose the most liquid and popular stocks for which the largest trading volumes are conducted. In Russia, it can be Sberbank, Gazprom, Yandex, etc. In the USA, these are Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Google, and others. The essence of the strategy is that the trader needs to wait for a bright increase in trading volume and look at the glass of orders, where the price leads with such a volume. After that, it's necessary to quickly conclude a deal in the same direction as the application, which significantly increased the volume. Trading volumes are easy to track many terminals have a special indicator that helps traders monitor the market volume. It is designated approximately as VOL from the English volume. As usual, market volumes can rise sharply at times when some important news has come out or when a large institutional investor, fund, bank, etc. comes to the market, and it is such moments that are the best option to get into a deal and make money. As you may have noticed, the term trader is used in all short-term strategies. This has a reason. A short-term investor is a trader, as he often sells and buys shares, or she. The deal brought me a profit of $1,466.59. So for today, I'm finishing with overlooking the deposit of $1,466.59, and I started with 50. So guys, I thank you for watching this video till the end. Make sure to like it and write your comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel because there is always only useful information and the most interesting analysis. So guys, that's all for today. I wish you only successful trading sessions and see you in the next one. Bye.